Welcome to another episode of BS with Ben, and what we're going to do is we're going to cover why you need a rotary attachment for your diode laser. The reason why you need a rotary attachment for your laser is not for the cups, not for the glasses that you can engrave, not for some of those really round whizzy things. You want it for hot dogs. Weiner Rick approves of this message. Yes, I said hot dogs. The other day, Aufero Ortur, the company I'm working with for getting some of this laser stuff, sent me a rotary attachment. And really, the assembly of this is really simple. You've got a few screws, you weave the belt. It took me about 15 minutes to put it all together. And all you do is you go in and you disconnect the x-axis or the y-axis. So x this way, y this way. So you disconnect the y-axis and you literally grab one of the wires and you put this on. Place this underneath the laser head, raise the laser head up high enough so it clears everything, and put in some graphics and start cutting. It is literally that easy. Now, I figured everybody does like a glass. You can etch the glass and make custom-made glasses. That's very cool. You can use cups, make coffee cups. A lot of people are using it for their whizzy coffee cups or travel mugs, and these are really cool things. But while I was setting things up, one of my kids came into the garage and said, "Hey Dad, can we get some hot dogs?" The second that word hit my ears, I was like, wait a minute, this could be a lot of fun. The lasers are fairly inexpensive and the rotary cutter is fairly inexpensive. I don't know if there's a business opportunity in this, but when I showed people on my Facebook what this thing was doing, they were all going, you should make a hot dog stand, or this would be great at parties. And I agree, because you could put somebody's name on the hot dog, you can etch in graphics on the hot dog if you really want to. This video is going to be really short, and the thing is it's not that complicated. You get the rotary attachment, you get the wheels in close together, or the two rollers in close together, put in a graphic, play with the power settings. On this I was using 100% power at I think 100 millimeters per second. Hot dogs, oddly enough, take a little bit to cut, but you can also etch if you want to. But again, it's really up to you to kind of have fun. Toss those things into an oven or on a grill or in your microwave, boil them, do whatever you want. One thought I've had is that in our family, what we end up doing is taking pasta noodles and pushing the pasta noodles through the hot dog, and then you boil it. And we call them hairy hot dogs. You end up with these hot dogs with noodles sticking out of them, and they give it a lot of fun for kids. Well, maybe make a haircut for a hot dog and draw a face on it. Anyways, this is all up to you and whether you want it. There is some links down below on where you can get these laser cutters, where you can buy the rotary attachment. And I want to thank Cinesmall, the people that are sponsoring me on this and getting me pieces like this rotary attachment. They've also got me a few other little whiz-bang things that we're going to be covering in the near future. But again, short video, it's a lot of fun. Maybe make some customized hot dogs. My bet is you could actually make a couple of bucks doing this. Remember, do all the things like hit subscribe, like, go down and look at some of the links down below in the description to buy things, and let's just keep this channel going. Thanks. Also stay tuned. We have just received some more powerful lasers. They are twice as powerful as the laser diodes that we currently have, and we're playing with them, and I'll tell you what, I'm starting to think that these laser diodes might be the hobbyist dream. They might even be a CO2 laser killer, because they can't cut everything a CO2 laser can, but they can cut a vast majority of it, and in my opinion can do a better job. Stay tuned and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.